I'll just replay that real quickly. Again, structurally, nothing changed. All they did was they took away the Bay Area maps, they took away Embarcadero Plaza, replaced it with things you would find in Washington, like Dulles Airport, DuPont. Whoa! That is a tremor, and in Los Angeles, we sleep units. I would not, well, never too late to panic. Earthquake! Second level, coming in on your left. Just like in any other disaster film, when you think you're safe, things get worse. Hold your breath. Watching it all go back together. This one will reset in about 25 seconds. That includes the flood, the track, the second level. That's about an 8.3 on the Richter scale, and we'll show you how we have control over every shooting aspect inside of a soundstage. Now, although that was built for the theme park, it's been used in countless TV shows and movies. On the screen above your head, here it is in action.